Welcome to our channel PK Transfers Guide. History and Civics ISC Class 10 Notes. Now a new chapter, Rise of Dictatorship. Let's see the overall view of my notes. Our first topic, Causes for the Rise of Fascism in Italy. Subtopic included discontentment after the Treaty of Versailles. Second, economic crisis. Third, political instability. And the fourth, that is, failure of League of Nations. The next topic, Causes for the Rise of Nazism. Its subtopic included, first point, humiliating Treaty of Versailles. Second, fear of communism. Third, economic crisis. And the fourth, absence of strong opposition. Now the most important similarity between ideologies of fascism and Nazism. Now let's see the notes. So before we start, let us look at its syllabus. The new chapter, Rise of Dictatorship, from the unit The Contemporary World. Its major chapters, the First World War and Second World War, we have already covered and uploaded their notes. And those who have not seen our video, please get through this video through the playlist section, or else I'll providing you a link in the description box. And remaining chapters, United Nations and its agencies, are considered as a self, कुछ खास नहीं है. But if you all wanted me to upload their notes also, please let me know through the comment box. So let's start. So we'll be completing this unit. Okay. So the causes of rise of fascism in Italy. Fascism was developed in Italy, which means union or league. The main objective causes for the rise of fascism were: first, the most important one, discontentment after the Treaty of Versailles. Italy joined the Allies in First World War to get the territories of Turkey and Germany, but it could not get the territories colonial empire. Italy got only Tyrol Trentino. Next page. Okay, the second cause, the economic crisis. Italy suffered heavy loss of life and prosperity. Soldiers become unemployed, trade and commerce were ruined, and shortage of food grain occurs. The third cause, the political instability. Democracy was established in Italy, but no clear majority parties has own policy and program, and thus the situation become worse. One thing more, that we have updated its quality, so you will not be facing any problem regarding handwriting and all. Okay. Let us look the last topic once again. That is political instability. Democracy was established in Italy, but no clear majority parties has own policy and program, and thus the situation became worse. Mussolini, who was the leader of fascism, promised the people for a strong government. शायद आपके syllabus में causes mentioned नहीं है, but still I am giving you the complete notes, including the causes, just boosting your factual knowledge about this chapter, which may help you in examination for increasing the length of your answer as per the marks required. So please get through the notes at least for once. Okay. I've also told you earlier about it. So let's see the next page. So we have covered the causes for the rise of fascism, which included the discontentment after Treaty of Versailles, economic crisis, and the political instability. Now the causes for the rise of Nazism. The first, most important, and the humiliating Treaty of Versailles. Defeat of Germany in the First World War and the condition imposed on Germany by the treaty made the Germans helpless. Germany was forced to pay $33 billion for the loss of war. Hitler took the advantage of the situation and encouraged the Germans to give the support for rebuilding the empire. This is how the Hitler started gaining his power in Germany over the German people. Next cause, the fear of communism. In Russia, communism was increased and the Germans was also influenced. But Hitler wanted the Germans to check the communism, otherwise they will become the servant of Russia. The third, economic crisis. After Treaty of Versailles, Germans had to suffer in agriculture and trade. Tax against the German goods were raised and the conditions became miserable. So we have seen the three causes, and that is the fourth one, that absence of strong opposition. Let's see the next page. The fourth, the absence of strong opposition. The main cause for the rise of Nazism or Nazi party in Germany was the absence of any strong opposition party, which is quite obvious. Okay, so we have seen all the four causes. The first way, the humiliating treaty of ourselves. Second, the fear of communism. Second, third, the economic crisis, and the fourth, absence of strong opposition. Now let's see the remaining part of the notes in the next page. Now the fifth, anti-Semitic propaganda. Nazi party support Hitler and say Jews are the traitor and this hardship of Germany was only due to the Jews. Now the most important topic which is also mentioned in your syllabus, that is similarity between the ideologies of fascism and Nazism. First point, both the party oppose democracy. Second, they hold one party, one leader. Third, war is necessary for the interest of nation. And the fourth, state is supreme than the fundamental rights of people. So we have completed this chapter, or you can say the complete no unit for the contemporary world. So our next upload will be from either the geography part or from the civics part, because few chapters are also left from that section. And don't forget to comment whether you wanted a notes for the United Nations or you'll be managing it by yourself. Don't worry, I will be uploading it. Okay then, waiting for your love and support through your comments.